WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
As we prepare for severe storms to arrive in the next 6 hours, we want to help you prepare for any potential power outages. We're hearing from Dominion Energy within the last hour, and they say they are fully prepared for what comes today with the storm. They recommend making sure that you have an extra light source like a flashlight. Double check those batteries. Keep your phone charged because we all use the flashlight on our phones these days too, right? We also want to make sure that that cell and all those devices are fully charged. And if the power does go out, keep your fridge and your freezer doors closed. Remember this, what Grandma used to tell you, to protect your food and the cold inside your refrigerator. So Jonathan, we are expecting these storms to pick up around noontime.
Yeah, it looks like noon, 1 o'clock. That's going to be kind of the flashpoint for the worst of the weather. So Allison, get ready here between about 1 and 3 p.m. in the district from west to east. That's when it's going to be the absolute worst. But general window again of about noon to 6. Strong storms with damaging winds, potential of some hail, even a tornado not out of the question. And as we just mentioned, you want to keep those devices charged and ready to go. And on those devices, why not have the WUSA 9 app? Got a nice zoomable radar. I know I use it in my personal use to stay ahead of the storms, and it'll keep you ahead of the storms as well. Radar right now showing what appears to be some light showers right near the Bay Bridge down to about Calvert County and Dunkirk. And then especially as you move to the west of the district, this is the stuff that's certainly reaching the ground with some light sprinkles at least right around Leesburg into Loudoun County near Sterling, Chantilly, and then even farther westbound into central western Maryland, right around Winchester and Virginia and Cumberland, that West Virginia panhandle as well. Again, those spots really starting to get in on some at least light to moderate rain before the heavier stuff reaches those folks earliest. It could be late morning by the time this stuff gets there. And then again, this line that's had a history of severe weather overnight will make it to the district around lunchtime. First severe weather outbreak of 2025. And then actually yesterday and overnight, some blizzard warnings north and west of St. Louis all the way up into Iowa and Minnesota. So really a very dynamic system. Wild. So here we're on the eastern side. So this is the warm, springy side of the system, if you will. Beautiful look at our Skycam image. That's Capitol Dome with a red sunrise on the way here. It's red skies in the morning. Sailor take warning, we say. Well, yes, and they certainly are going to have to take warning this afternoon. 56, winds out of the south at 14. So the gusty breeze is already picking up. Our main threat for today, again, in this area in yellow, it's a level 2 of 5 risk of severe weather, while south it's a level 3 of 5 risk of severe weather. Either way, it's damaging winds, the potential small hail, and even an isolated tornado. So what's most likely, again, you see here on the red bars, a damaging wind. That's kind of the highest risk out of all of this. Small hail potential, flooding too. There could even be some lightning. And tornadoes are the lowest risk, but again, it's not a zero risk. So some isolated tornadoes, a potential out of this, especially the farther south you get. Futurecast for today, starting off mainly rain-free, just a couple of showers, but there are those storms by about 1 o'clock, reaching Leesburg, Fredericksburg, crossing the district between about 1 and 2, and by 2 and 3, moving all the way across the eastern shore. And it's a quick move. That means there's going to be a lot of wind with this, potentially pushing it along. By 5:30, 6 o'clock, moving off the eastern shore and out. There could be a stray shower this evening. Otherwise, drying out for tomorrow and windy. And then it looks like it's dry all the way through the beginning of daylight saving time this weekend. By the way, we may have a watch that's issued this afternoon, so know the difference. A watch means be prepared. A tornado or severe weather is possible. In the case of a tornado watch or a severe thunderstorm watch, stay alert. And then it means this thing is happening. You need to take action when you have a warning. Of course, we're going to keep you on top of this through the day.